So this is Anjuna church and that's Anjuna Comunidad. And they have arranged for police protection for the silent protest that we are going to do. Now we want to understand what is so threatening about us just asking for something in our own very village. If this is the stance that the Anjuna Comunidad wants to take, it is very disheartening and very sad, and one must do something about it. Appealing to all the other comunidades to ask if this is the way the comunidades play their role in society.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Dr. Nasio Fernandez. I'm here in front of St. Michael's Church in the compound, and behind me is the Anjuna Comunidad office. It's 1:49. The meeting is still going on. The meeting that started at around 10:30, 11 a.m. We had a silent protest here in front, outside the gates of the church, and we just held banners. We just wanted the Gaonkars of the Comunidad to take cognizance of our issues, the Gaonkars that stay in the village and the Gaonkars that stay away from the village. One thing we wanted to assert here is that this is our village as Goans. We are bound, duty bound to protect it, and it is our fundamental right to be able to enjoy it. Whether it is the fundamental right of life, which is Article 21, or the Article 19, which states that we are free to express our displeasure against such events that are being given permissions from past many years, from even a decade ago. So we would like to request the Anjuna Comunidad and the Anjuna Panchayat and any other body which has given such events, any such events, which tarnish the name of the village, which are not helpful to society and are only detrimental to society. We propose as villagers to reject the applications by such events, as such events are not even festivals, they do not promote the cultural identity of Goa in any sense. So such events were on today's agenda by the Anjuna Comunidad to hold events such as TVS, Motorsoul events, to hold some Bollywood event. Now we are not aware of what are such events, and we believe that such power to hold such, to give permissions to such events and then take it up in court by individual parties should not happen. Right at the base, right at the crux, the very body that gives the permissions, which is the Anjuna Comunidad, we have to appeal to them. They have to know that we are facing these issues. Perhaps for the past many years they were not aware, as some of the Gaonkars have just recently learned are not even residing in Anjuna. So we have to let them know of the problems we face, and we are hopeful of the results of the meeting, which has been going on for around 3 hours, more than 3 hours, and we hope that they will take some action in this regard, and we hope that the memorandum that was given to them that was given to all the other departments, to the Anjuna Panchayat, to the Anjuna Comunidad, will be respected and will be heard by the authorities. And this is the voice of the people. Today we are here because we are facing problems. We are standing here for ourselves, for our future generations, for something that was given to us by our forefathers, by our ancestors, that we take care of it with great care and with great respect. Thank you.